Yeah.
Hi there, I'm Noah Grubbs. I'm with Natty Rems. I'm project manager over all construction and maintenance. We're here in Denver, Colorado. Brand, we do infused joints. We have carts, extraction. Obviously have a lot of flour. Very beautiful flour that we're very proud of. We pride ourselves in our facility for cleanliness and the final product at the best quality it can be. We really strive for the best next thing in technology when it comes to our production of any of our products, especially for our joints. In our automation process, we have found that our current machinery was adding a lot of extra labor for our joints at the end. Our team was having to go through and hand pack everything and twist the ends, and it was just wasting a lot of our labor on the automation side that our machine should have been doing. And I was at a friend's facility and I saw the Hefestus machine being operated, and I was very impressed with the efficiency and the final product, how clean it was, bare minimal labor or upkeep, and the consistency of it across the board. Every joint coming out, it's all coming out relatively the same. And so it piqued my interest to pursue it, and after doing some research and comparisons, we absolutely wanted to purchase a Hefestus machine and get it up and running in our facility to greatly increase our automation that we were slacking on.
It's Matt from Pioneer Interest. I've been working here for 2 years. We've been doing pre-roll automation since I've been here, and we just switched over to the Hefestus machine. It's really been a help in increasing production, and it's been actually lowering our costs too. So we've been wasting less papers, we've been wasting less material. It's super easy to clean and change over between strains. It's super easy to make minor adjustments and switch over to new pre-rolls, different sizes. A lot of it is a breeze, not a lot of stop time in general compared to other machines that we've used, and we're just having a good experience so far. The setup for this machine has been really easy. We had them come in for a few days and set it up the initial day, and then a couple days of training, and the training was really easy to pick up on it.
We're excited to see where this machine takes our current automation and productivity, because it's still a baby as far as time frame of it being here, but already in the few weeks it's been here, we've seen a great increase in quality and control and efficiency. We cannot wait to install a second machine and have two going. Anybody in the marijuana industry that wants to efficiently upgrade their automation and quality control, I greatly recommend Hefestus to be that partner.